Hi, my name is Ali Ayub and I'm a graduate student at Florida Atlantic University. Today, I will be presenting my research that is amine-grafted silica material, a potential adsorbent for landfill gas purification. Landfills are the third largest source of man-related methane emissions in the United States and contributes almost 26 times more to greenhouse gas effect in comparison to carbon dioxide. At the same time, methane emissions is a lost opportunity to capture and use a significant energy resource. When solid waste is dumped in a landfill, methane-producing bacteria begins to decompose the waste and generate methane and other gases similar in composition to biogas produced in farms. Using landfill gas helps to reduce odor and other hazards associated with landfill gas emissions and prevent methane from escaping into the atmosphere and contributing to smog and other global climate changes. In addition, landfill gas energy projects generate revenue and create jobs in the community and beyond. Landfill gas typically has a methane concentration around 50 to 70%, 20 to 30% carbon dioxide, and traces of water and hydrogen sulfide. The problem right now is that our existing processes are not adequate enough to process all these impurities in a single step. To address this issue, we focus to develop an integrated process for single-step removal of all the impurities in the landfill gas that includes carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, and water at a very low cost. Due to high affinity of amine towards the carbon dioxide and high stability at elevated temperatures, we hypothesize that amine-grafted silica will be an efficient and cost-effective process for landfill gas purification. Whereas the adsorption material for landfill gas purification should demonstrate high CO2 uptake, fast adsorption kinetics, high selectivity for carbon dioxide, and stability during cyclic adsorption and desorption. Figure 1 depicts the reaction form in two steps. At first, silica is hydrated with water and produces hydroxyl group for reaction with primary amine. To test our hypothesis, 4 amino silicas were synthesized using dry and wet conditions. In the dry conditions, no water was added, whereas for wet conditions, we added 0.3, 0.2, and 0.4 milliliters of water along with 1 milliliter of primary amine. The performance of the synthesized sample were then analyzed using thermogravimetric analysis. As shown in figure 2, the best performing material, that is amino-grafted silica with 0.3 milliliters of water, was selected on the basis of highest CO2 uptake at equilibrium conditions, and whereas figure 3 shows the fastest CO2 adsorption kinetics. This material was later exposed to rigorous 100 cycle test as shown in figure 3 and did not lose its ability and performance during the test. The preliminary results are encouraging, particularly in terms of higher CO2 uptake, fast adsorption kinetics, thermal stability, and long life cycle. This concludes our research conducted so far. Additional experiments are needed before recommending aminosilicas for large-scale real-world applications. Thank you.